Welcome to United Public School Online Education, Class 3, Subject Computer. Hello students, as you know that we are already finished our chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers. In that we study about computer hardware and computer software. Yes, now, but when you sit on the computers or you start the computer, you must know how to operate it. Yes, now. So for that, you must know about the Windows. So what is this Windows? So let's see about it in our chapter number 2, Learn to use MS Windows 7. Okay, so let's start. Okay students, so let's see about operating systems. Have you noticed how the different types of work at your home do as well? It is because your parents manages all the work at your home. Yes, na. In other words, they act as a manager for your home. Yes, na. Similarly, the computer made up of different parts and also he can do different work at a time. Yes, na. So for that, it also requires a manager that manages all the work of computer. Yes, na. So the manager of computer is nothing but this operating system. Okay, so the computer का manager कौन है? Operating system. So operating system is the manager of computer. So what it do? It allocate the resources, that means whatever the parts is connected, it to be handled by this operating system. Then monitors the activities, whatever the other parts doing the activities, it to be monitors by this operating system. And also manages the disk and files. All this work is done by this operating system. Okay, so the manager in the computer is operating system. Okay, who is the manager of computer? Operating system. Operating system is what? It is nothing but a software. Okay, and that helps to operate the computer system through its various function. Okay, वो कंप्यूटर को किस लिए हेल्प करता है? सारे जो फंक्शंस होते हैं ऑपरेट करने के लिए, राइट? इट कंट्रोल एंड मैनेजेस द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. वो क्या करता है? कंट्रोल्स भी करता है और मैनेज भी करता है सारे कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स को. ओके, इट एक्ट एज अ इंटरफेस. इंटरफेस मीन्स व्हाट? बीच में, बिटवीन द यूजर एंड द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. यूजर मीन्स व्हाट? हम जो कंप्यूटर यूज करते हैं उनको बोला जाता है यूजर. एंड कंप्यूटर, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या है? इंटरफेस. इंटरफेस का मीन होता है वन टाइप ऑफ पुल. ओके, वट एवर द यूजर वॉन्ट they will show on the computer, and whatever the computer need, the same way the user can do. So it act as an interface between the computer and the user. Okay, now you got it. What is operating system? Yes. Okay, so this operating system are of different types. So which are the different types of operating systems are there? Some popular operating systems are MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac OS. These are the some examples which are popular. Okay, so from that we generally use this Windows. Okay, so there, do you know there were no operating system in early computers? जो पहले के कंप्यूटर्स होते थे ना, उसमें ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं होती थी. So this operating system come late, okay, in the computer field, but it is accepted very quickly because it has so many advantages. Okay, it make all the work of the computer manages smoothly, so it is easily accepted. Okay, so one kind of operating system, this Linux. Now Linux is also called as free operating system. ओके, एंड जैसे मोबाइल्स में वर्जन्स होते हैं ना, आपको पता है मोबाइल्स में न्यू वर्जन्स आते रहते हैं. सेम वे दिस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आल्सो हैव different kinds of favors, that means versions. Okay, so same in Linux also have the new latest version, that is Linux 4.10.0 is the latest version रिलीज 8 दिसंबर 2017 में. ओके, सो ये लेटेस्ट वर्जन लिनक्स का लॉन्च हुआ है. फाइन, सो दिस इज जस्ट फॉर एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन. यू हैव टू कीप इट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो MS Windows. Let us see about what is MS Windows. MS stand for Microsoft, and this MS Windows is the most popular system software in the world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये क्या है? मोस्ट पॉपुलर, दैट इज जनरली यूज द विंडोज सॉफ्टवेयर. yes now, and who it is made? It is made by a company named Microsoft Corporation. It is made by the company Microsoft Corporation and it is at the USA. वो कहाँ पे है? USA की कंपनी है Microsoft Corporation and it is made by this company. What? MS Windows. Yes, so that's why it is name given MS. Before that Windows. Okay, and this Microsoft company's chairman name is John W. Thompson. Okay, so what is the name of chairman? John W. Thompson. That you have to keep it in your mind. John W. Thompson is the chairman of this Microsoft Corporation. Okay, now let us see about the booting. So what is that booting? So as you know that whenever you start the computer, one processing is to be done. आपने कभी देखा है जब आप कंप्यूटर का स्विच ऑन करते हो तो आपको 2 or 3 मिनट्स वेट करना पड़ता है. Why? Because some processing is to be done. So what is that processing? It is nothing but the operating system is to be loaded in your computer. जो भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होती है आपके कंप्यूटर में वो कंप्यूटर के मेमोरी में क्या होती है? लोड होती है. दैट मीन्स एवरी टाइम व्हेनेवर यू कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट, every time the operating system is to be loaded in the computer memory and this process is called as a booting. What we call it as a booting, BOOTING, booting. So what is means of booting? Booting means the operating system gets loaded in computer memory whenever you switch on the computer. Okay, now while your computer booting is done, you can see the picture of the Windows flag. देखो, see in the picture, whenever your booting is completed, you can see this is starting Windows flag picture is to be on the screen. Yes or no? Yes, that means your operating system Windows is to be loaded in your computer. Okay, so why we use this MS Windows? What is the features? Feature means what? Advantages. Okay, first one, it is very easy to use. What is that? It is very easy to use. Second one, it is graphic based. Graphic based means what? All the things are given in the picture format. Okay, as you know that pictures are kept in our mind easily. Yes na? So it is graphic based and so you do not have to remember all the commands. सब पिक्चर के फॉर्मेट में होता है. So we cannot need to remember the commands. Okay, whenever see that picture, by seeing that picture only we can know that what is that command. Yes na? So in other operating system it is given in the command, but in this Windows it is given in the picture format. Okay, now the next is programs are arranged in different files and folders. Okay, whatever the programs we use, the different files of the different programs. Okay, so that we can easily understand. Fine, and it has icon which help to different things quickly, and Windows also have the icons. What is that icon? We can see later on. So icon is nothing but the small pictures. So whatever the files and folders are there, it is shown in the icon. So we can easily recognize it, easily understand and easily remember it. Okay, and we can search things quickly. Okay, so for that we can use this MS Windows. Okay, William Henry Gates, that means Bill Gates, developed the first version of the Windows operating system in 1983. Okay, इसका जो फर्स्ट वर्जन था विंडोज़ का वो किसने डेवलप किया था? विलियम हेनरी गेट्स. उसको हम बिल गेट्स भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो ये जो पर्सन से इन्होंने फर्स्ट वर्जन जो था विंडोज़ का वो डेवलप किया था in the year of 1983. Okay, MS Windows has many favors. Favors means what? जैसे आइसक्रीम पे फेवर्स होते हैं ना, ये सेम वे. सो विंडोज़ एंड वर्जन्स होते हैं मोबाइल के, सेम वे विंडोज़ MS Windows have many flavors called as a versions. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Versions. For examples, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, nowadays Windows 10 come, and just recently Windows 11 is also launched. Okay, so these are the versions of the Windows. But in this chapter we study about the Windows 7. Okay. Okay student, so when you start the computer, switch on the computer, your booting is to be done. After booting you see the flag of the Windows. After that flag you see one screen on your computer monitor. Okay, so that is nothing but the Windows 7 desktop. DESK, desktop. Okay, that means computer start करने के बाद whatever the first screen is to be shown, that is called as a desktop. Okay, Windows desktop. It is Windows operating system, so it is the Windows desktop. Fine. Okay, so you see a screen when the process of booting is completed. This is the desktop. Windows 7 desktop has the 4 components. अब ये जो desktop screen होती है उसके 4 components होते हैं. क्या क्या होता है? That means on this desktop. Okay, so first होता है desktop background. Okay, जो background होता है उसको बोलेंगे desktop background. Second one is icons, जो small pictures होते हैं. See here, you can see in that picture the small icons. Okay, pictures, that is nothing, we called it as a icons. What we called it as a icons. Now let us see this desktop background is done. Now this side, right hand side, you can see the some gadgets. Okay, gadgets means what? Small programs. We called it as a gadgets. We see later on detail on this gadget. Okay, so this is the gadget, and last is the taskbar. At the bottom side there is a blue color strip is there, so we called it as a taskbar. What we called it as a taskbar. So you have to keep it in mind, these 4 things, components, which are the 4 components of desktop, Windows 7 desktop. First one, icon, desktop background, gadgets and taskbar. Okay, so what is this desktop background? The background picture of the Windows 7 desktop is called as a desktop background. Whatever the picture is there on the background, we called it as a desktop background. Okay, now do you know you can set the desktop background on your computer according to your choice. ये जो desktop background में picture होता है, as you can change as your choice. Okay, if you want to another picture at the background, we can change it also. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.